This is our little camping area down here. Zoe, Zachary, come here. Our cat, our little bonfire pit that we made.
Zoe.
Little fort for the kids. Little table. Come here. Zachary, come here. Hello, bonfire queen.
Zoe.
Zoe, Zachary, come over here. They don't know what that means. Hello, Zoe. No, Zoe. No. No climb. What are you guys doing? Hi, Zoe. Zoe, what are you doing? Zed. Huh? Oh, wow. That is a long way down. Come on, let's go by the fire.
No.
Mommy's sad. She wants you to come by the fire.
Mom's crying?
Yep. Come on, Zoe. Let's go to the fire. Let's go to the campgrounds.
Always, that's right. That's right. Cute? What's cute? You're cute. You're cute as a bunny. Here you go. Here you go. I miss you, Keeper. I miss you so much. Eyes.
Where are you going, Doodle?
Oh, Zachary's leaving.
Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo.
What?